Alright, before anything else, I just want to mix this. I don't typically like a thick oatmeal consistency because it just grosses me out. So I just add a bit of cashew milk. Okay, so everything's mixed. So for today's berries, I'm going to try to have it with blackberries, blueberries, and raspberry. I couldn't find any strawberries, so I have these, and I'm also gonna do banana. I know it's high in carbs, but it tastes good. So I'm just gonna weigh the berries.
$100 grams of banana has 89 calories.
Ooh. So I just added 54 grams of bananas. I know it's a lot, but I didn't want to waste it because I had eaten half of it last night. So that's what we're doing, and now we are putting everything into the bowl. And last but not the least, I'm gonna put some chia seeds just to give it a little bit of a crunch. Okay, so this is now my breakfast. I'm gonna eat it because I'm hungry. I usually drink water. I already drank water today and I'm still hungry, so I'm not gonna eat this. And these are my overnight oats that I make for breakfast. Okay, so it's now 10:20 in the morning and I just had breakfast like 3 hours ago, 2 hours ago maybe. And right now I'm feeling a little bit snacky. I had drank a lot of water and I'm still snacky, so I'm going to have a snack. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna have for snack today. It is rice crackers from the brand Good Thins. I really like how it tastes. I just picked it up randomly from the grocery store because I was looking for crackers with the least calories, and this is what I found. Okay, so these crackers have 80 calories for 12 crackers, and I really do love them. And I'm gonna pair it with the mini hummus that I bought from President's Choice. It's just the, I don't know, random hummus that I found. I thought the hummus would have a lower calorie count. One container of this has 160 calories. So what I'm gonna do today is just eat half. I don't even know if this is half. Plus 12, maybe 15 crackers. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pour it out in a bowl because if I don't, then I'm just gonna keep eating it. Then that's not good. So this is my snack. I just really like to, I mean, the rice cracker tastes good by itself, but like the hummus makes it even better because the hummus has garlic. I'm just gonna dip my cracker into my hummus and I just eat it. So with every food that I have, I always like to drink water. But when I'm eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I probably would wanna drink a full bottle of water. I'm actually trying to drink a gallon of water every day just to see how it will be like, but now I don't know. It's just too many videos at the same time, so probably next week I'm gonna do that. So right now I couldn't really work out because my knee is messed up. Every time I do an exercise like squats, like my knee really hurts. Eric and I have been doing this insanity program for a month and it has done great results for him. He lost 20 pounds and I gained a pound. So it wasn't doing much for me, so I'm taking a break from working out. So I'm focusing more on diet to lose the weight that I have on me, if that makes sense. It's now lunchtime and I am going to make a grilled chicken banh mi, and this is not an authentic banh mi recipe. It's just everything that I like in my banh mi. So to start off, you're gonna need any carbs of your choice. For this, a baguette really works well. Today I have a French baguette because I couldn't find one of the single ones that you can buy from the grocery store. They closed it out because of the COVID. So I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna use the entire loaf or bun or What is it called? So here I just have some pickled radish and carrots that I'm gonna scoop out. Don't have the full recipe for this, just like what I eat. I'm just gonna do maybe like, I'm gonna do like a full tablespoon. Or just however many, oh no. However many veggies you like. Go ham, go nuts on the veggies. And to my veggies, I just like adding cucumbers that I pre-sliced so it makes life easier for me. And then to top it all off, I just have some cilantro. So I have my bread toasted. Whew. My chicken is heated up. I'm just gonna put some, not too much. Camera battery died, but I just have some toasted bread, some chicken. This is leftover chicken that I marinated, and I'm gonna put some veggies on top of that. I like a lot of veggies that I made earlier. Okay. Just dump it all in there. And then top it off with cilantro. That. And for the sauces, I'm just gonna do sriracha, barbecue sauce, and mayo. I know that this isn't the typical Vietnamese banh mi sauces, but this is what I like on them, and this is what I'm gonna do. Get Netflix. So I took a nap, just woke up around 8 o'clock. It is now 10 o'clock and I didn't have time to make the meal that I wanted. I originally wanted just chicken and some veggies, but today I am going to eat. I'm going to eat this Filipino dish called patatim, or it's called humba. And I would love to eat ampalaya or bitter melon. It smells nice, but it's really bitter and I just can't. And to that, I'm gonna have some rice. And that's your Filipino dish staple, is rice. Okay, so I just heated everything up. My rice is ready. Also, we have some leftover chicken from Popeyes, and I would hate for that to go to waste, so I'm just gonna have that. Excuse the dishes, I need to do that still. But yeah, this is my dinner. This is not a super healthy meal, but I'm really hungry, so I'm just gonna eat.